Greetings my friends, and Trade here, back with another video, and let's get straight to the point. If you want to make money in trading, there's only a few things that you need to know. You need to know about money management, risk management, and you need to know basic technical analysis. You don't need a lot of knowledge to start making money. You can start understanding chart patterns, you can start understanding market structures, and you can just go into the market and start using that knowledge to make money. You can learn all of that in my trading group, so click the link in the description below and become a member today. It is available for everybody, and on top of all of that you're gonna learn in the group, you also gonna get access to daily trading sessions with me and my team, tutorials, trade breakdowns, strategies, indicators breakdowns, and much more, all completely for free. And did I forget to say robots as well? Different robots for different markets, tools that will change the way you trade and help you learn. So check it out, link is in the description below. And now let's go into the market and trade a little bit. Gonna perform some technical analysis, nothing crazy, but let's make a little bit of money today and let's see how it goes. Alright, so here we are on Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, and the first thing I see is of course a level of support that we can trade off. I'm gonna place it right here. This is where the area of support is, and I want to observe how the price behaves after it breaches it. So if we're gonna get a fake breakout, that means that the price will probably return back into the range and move upwards. So we observe this candle, how the next candle behaves. If we get a pattern that signals a reversal, which could be a bullish engulfing pattern on one or the other, or a bullish pin bar, then we're looking to take a buy position. You always need the confirmation, because not every single time you spot a level, which is by the way the most important skill that you can get, is spotting levels to begin trading. Not every single time you hit a level it's gonna reverse. Sometimes you're gonna get a breakout, sometimes you're gonna get a fake breakout, and you might get baited. So that is why you need extra confirmation on your entries, and this is exactly what we're waiting for now. And I'm gonna drop my money right now. I'm gonna drop 1,000 here and wait for the price to dip below to place the remaining price, and there it is, another 2,000. But I got a bullish pin bar that signals that the price will reverse and go up from this point on. There is quite a bit of rejection, as you can see, but I believe that this is the right analysis, and it just took me a minute of waiting time. I needed extra confirmation. I got my extra confirmation, so I placed my money on this trade knowing that I have made the right decision, and from this point on I'm just observing. Simple as that. First trade, and this is already potential for over $2,500 of profit. And that is why I say you don't need a lot of trades every single day. Just pick a couple, 2, 3, 4 maximum good deals on a day is going to be enough to provide you with financial stability. As long as you trade smart, as long as you enter the trades that you are sure in, and as long as you monitor the situation before placing a trade and don't just pull the trigger on the first thing that you see, you're gonna have a good time in the market. And this is what it's all about. There it is. We spotted the pattern, we got the confirmation, we entered, we made 2.5k. And here I added RSI, and we have a pretty strong bearish candle here. So I'm gonna take a sell position with $1,000, wait for a little bit because I'm expecting the bulls to continue pushing the price up, and then I'm gonna drop more money here, 3,000 on this trade again, as I'm expecting the price to be pushed back after we got a confirmation here, a bearish engulfing pattern, and we are looking to make money on this trade. Simple as that. And this is all happens right here. You can see RSI is hitting the overbought condition for the asset, so we are looking for a short-term price reversal here. It might not happen instantly, but it is going to come. And even if we don't get the bottom trade, I hope that we get at least the other two on top that will secure the win for us. So I need that rejection to start happening, because this is my prediction, and I believe that we are on a correct path. And there it is, but not enough. Just there it is, guys. Come on baby. I know we made the right call. The pattern was there and we get it. We get the first one, but we can't be carried away just yet. The spike might happen and we might get eliminated here, but we secure both trades, and that is already pretty insane, guys. We started at 2k and look at that beauty. We just went this is some We just went, we did 3 trades here. We got already 2.5k, another 2.5k. We just dominating right now just easily. And look at that strong rejection on the candle that got us the win, and beautiful prediction once again. And this was real market. This was real market, guys. And this is how you do it. This is what you can learn in my trading group already. So just send me a message if you want to learn how to trade like this and make money like this. I'm not promising you that you're gonna make $15,000 on your first week. This is not realistic unless you come in with 10,000 and you want to start with 10,000, then sure. But I can teach you how to turn $100 into 500, and 500 turn into 1,000, 5,000. But you have to be disciplined. There's a lot of things that you need to learn before you start making those money. So if you listen, if you follow, if you learn and educate yourself on the things that do matter, then you're gonna have a great time in the market. All right, let's do one more trade. And here it is. I spotted the price channel, and we are looking at a fake breakout right now, but we can also add this. We can look at the level that we have here and see if we can actually trade off of this level. You can see there's a lot of rejection here on at this zone right here. So let's observe how this candle behaves. We might actually have a full-on breakout as RSI starts to head above 50 and heading in the upwards direction. Maybe this will be the buy position trade that we're looking. We might retest the upper boundary of the price channel, our support line, and then bounce off of it and move in the upwards direction. Let's see how this candle is behaving. If we have enough volume to come into this trade, I think we do, and I think this is going to be a buy position. But let's observe, let's wait. We have 10 more seconds left on this candle, so if it's a strong rejection, we're not going to go in. But other than that, the move kind of stopped here. But let's place 1,000 on this trade here, and I'm gonna wait for a little bit and observe how the price acts now. But there it is. We are now seeing the breakout out of the price channel. How far will it go? I don't think it will go really far. I think it has to hit at least this high right here. I'm not thinking about this high over there. Should be a bit lower, but what matters for now is just securing this trade right here on 1 minute. Already the rejection starts to come in a bit lower, so we don't like to see that, but we still have 30 seconds to go. I think we're gonna definitely get a green the candle close, which is what matters to us. And even if we don't, we can place another trade, because I do think this is a strong bullish move here that we can make money. Ooh, this is massive. So I am going to already place another 1,000 and another 1,000 on top of that. We take a loss on this one, that is fine, but I do not think the price will revert. I think the price will actually continue moving upwards. We take a loss on that one, that is $1,000 gone, which is fine, but we are going to be retesting this level and we are going to be going in the upwards direction. I don't think this is a trade that we're going to lose. So let's observe this. 35 seconds left. Let's see how it behaves. We already broke the 50 level on RSI, so we should be moving into overbought condition here with the strong impulse that we got. This might be a retest once again of a support level, but seconds left. Do we get it? We need that spike to finish off this trading session. Let's see it. Let's see it. We need it right now. As you can see, the price is just so hesitant to move, and we get 2 returns. That is fine. Let's look for another entry. This chart is a bit iffy, so let's see if we can find it. And look at this sharp reversal that we see in here. I'm gonna place 1,000 on this one, as I think the price will continue generating volume here. The bulls are gonna be continue sending the price up. We have RSI heading very strongly into overbought condition, so this is a nice trade to make $850 on. I don't think there's gonna be much bearish action right here happening. I think we're gonna continue seeing green candles appear for a little bit of time. I think the price will go all the way up to this zone of resistance, so this is what we are counting on. Obviously it's not gonna be a straight shot to that zone. There's gonna be some ups and downs, and this is what we're trying to make a living off, pretty much just catching these little swings on 1 minute and expecting the price to go in a direction that we want it to. And we need the rejection to hit now, and there it is. It starts to climb a little bit, but we need a little bit of strength here to ramp up. There it is. There. Oh my god, that was crazy. That was very lucky. And this is another point that I want to make. Sometimes in the market you're gonna have the right decision, but the luck, the little percentage of luck that you have there, and as you look at here, the price does start to climb up now. There's gonna be a little bit of luck involved in everything. So sometimes the price is gonna swing your way, like in this case, and sometimes the price is gonna swing against you and you're gonna lose. You have to come to terms with it. You will not be able to predict every single trade and analyze every single trade. There's nobody with a 100% win rate, so forget about it. Focus on executing the trades right, and if they don't go right, don't always blame yourself. Sometimes it's just the market playing against you. So if you want to learn how to trade like this, then make sure to join my trading group. You can find the link in the description below. We went into the market with 2,000, made over $5,000 in a 20-minute span, and this is what it's all about. I will teach you how to trade like this. I will navigate you. I will trade one-on-one with you if needed, share my signals with you, and you will be able to go into the market by yourself soon and make the money. I appreciate you for watching. Make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe, and of course I will catch you in the next one. Peace.